Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first steps now. Check your device model and OS version so you know which settings menus to use. Once done, unlock with your PIN or biometrics. Open settings and enable global location so apps can request it. This prevents confusion later. Make sure the Wallpaper app is installed and updated, otherwise permission prompts may differ. Finally, keep the phone unlocked while you change permissions to avoid interruptions and permission. Next, you'll grant the Wallpaper app the precise permissions it needs and learn why each option matters. Open Settings, go to Apps, pick your Wallpaper app and tap Permissions, choose Location. Select Allow while using the app for routine behavior. Choose Always Only if your wallpaper needs background updates. Enable Precise Location so the wallpaper reacts to exact places. Once permissions are set, return to the app and test the trigger. If the app prompts again, follow the in-app guidance to confirm. Finish by applying changes and verifying functionality so your wallpaper responds correctly. Restart the app, and if needed, reboot the device to ensure the system registers new permissions. Make sure battery optimization or background restrictions aren't blocking location updates. Exclude the Wallpaper app if necessary. If location still fails, toggle location off and on, then reopen the app. As a last resort, reinstall the app. If problems persist, one key troubleshooting tip: check OS-level privacy data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.